guys, welcome to another video from RLTR Group. So today we are going to talk about what Bank Nifty would be doing on the 15th of February 2021 and what we have done today. So today we have made 48,000 rupees with just a 500 quantity, and if you want to make similar profits, please do join us on www.rltrgroup.com and live trade with us so that you can also capture the same points. And also the list of the Telegram channel is being listed below. It's absolutely free. You can come there, get our market analysis and see how we are doing so far and get yourself up to date with whatever is happening. Now, without further ado, let's quickly go ahead and see what's going on here. Like I told you guys, it's been quite a parameter that I want you guys to know, that the Bank Nifty is trying to going up. It's coming down, it's going up, it's coming down, it's going up, it's again coming down, and then it went almost where it had to be on Wednesday. Then again they pulled it up, again it came down, and now they are pulling it up. So this is a complete sideways market, guys. Now, of course, there are a few people who will not agree with me, but let me tell you, this is range bound between here, and there are no confirmed trades. Whatever trades that you're going to take need to be confirmed here. Now look at us, what we did today. We had almost decided that we are going to be trading a PE in the morning. So we were waiting for Bank Nifty to actually break here, but we were also waiting for the level of 36,000. Now, while Bank Nifty was about to go to 36,000 and it had already broken my structure, now what differently did I do? I went ahead and took an unbiased approach here in the market. So I was not biased on PE. All right. So my bias shifted from PE, and we then went ahead, took a position here, made our decent profits for the day, and ended capturing somewhere around 150 points in a single trade. Now, what is going to happen on Monday? Now, I will just give a 2-second silence for the people who have lost money today. Why? Because it went up, it came down, it went up, and a lot of people would be thinking here that there would be a bigger breakout. But you know what? They were clearly jacked over here on the straight. It again came down, and again it's trying to show up. So in a volatile market like this, the only thing that you can do is reduce your quantity, guys, until what I've been telling you for the entire week, until the trend line, the line over here, that's 36,600 and 35,500 is broken. Please reduce your quantity and trade with minimal risk and small targets. That is what is going to happen here. Now, if we go to the daily front, let's quickly go ahead and check and see what's happening on the daily front and what we need to do about it. I hope nobody has carried your positions today, because carrying positions on weekend is going to destroy your family life. Remember, never carry positions on weekends. And I see over here that this structure is now been forming. So Bank Nifty is getting ready for the breakout, guys. So I will be very, very interested when Bank Nifty takes out this level of 36,300 on Monday, with a decent amount of strength in the Bank Nifty constituents. And then I will look for a target. It would not be a big target on the top side. I would just be looking for a 200-point easy target on the top. Now, if it is breaking at the bottom, I will quickly look for the targets of 35,500 again. And if I get the order in a flow, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to book it large. All right, so I will go ahead, open my positions only at the bottom, and I'm going to trail them. And on the top, I'm a bit skeptical about what is going to happen here. But until then, guys, like I've been repeating like parrot, please save your capital. Stock market is going to go nowhere. If you survive here, you're going to be able to go ahead and make enough money for yourself. All right, just surviving with your capital will make you a very better trader. A lot of people have lost money today. Trust me, a lot of people have lost money, but I don't want you to be a part of them. And remember, I'm going to be sending you out an exciting video tomorrow about a fascinating story, a success story about how a kid just out of college with no experience in the market is making such a hell of a lot of money. So stay tuned for that video that is going to be coming tomorrow. And also would like to tell you that there would not be any analysis on Monday and Tuesday, because I'm going to be out for some important work, and I'll be back on Wednesday. So thank you so much for your time. I hope my analysis helps you on Monday and you take better trades. Have a wonderful day. Jai Hind. Take care of your family. We'll see you on another video on Wednesday. Thank you so much for that. Have a good day. Bye-bye.